Morning. Right, just dropped the kids off at school, and it was a massive storm last night. Huge storm, loads of rain, loads of rain. My garage flooded, so I'm gonna have to sort that out later. But first things first, gotta get down the beach. High tides as well, stormy seas, high tides, loads of rain. Should be good. So hopefully, yeah. I think with the state of the roads as well, there might not be that many people down. So I'm gonna crack on and get down there, see what it's like. So yeah, I'll see you down the beach. Battering. I've got to be careful here. It's still pretty high. The tide is going out. I'm going to walk along where I know it's a bit safer and just sit and wait for a bit. So I want to be going down there. Well, I reckon I've got another 45. Whoa! No, I've got like another 45 minutes till it's pretty bloody loud, isn't it? Look at that out there. It's rolling in. It's rolling in. Taking a proper battering. So yeah, look. Still up to the cliffs. Now, obviously, don't recommend this, but I'm going to get to where that grass is there. Just going to get to Raffies, they call it, which will give me a bit of a breathing space. Can sit down. There we go. Time it right, it'll be alright. Really churning it up. The only thing is as well, what's really dangerous about this is if you come out at this time, is obviously there's not much beach to walk on, so it pushes you quite close up against the cliffs. Here it's not too bad, but you know, would not recommend this if you're not 100% certain on the tides. There we go. Sounds amazing. It smells. I wish you could smell it. Just you got those smell of all the rocks getting smashed up and ground up, and oh mate, it's nice. Right, I'm gonna wait around here. I think I'm not gonna risk going any further down, not just yet. There's no one else. I can't see anyone else out yet. See, now that might go and sit up there, sit and have have a wait. You get one of them in legs and you're over and you're getting dragged out, so yeah, safety first and all that. Right, yeah, that's a nice little perch, no dog poo on it. Let's sit here and wait a bit. Look at that though. What a day, what a morning. Look at that wave out there. It's nice. Yeah, so hopefully it should have took a bit of a battering down there. And we can see if we can hopefully get something nice today. But I'll point some stuff out. Hopefully we'll find something nice. Let's just leave it at that. If I do, I'll get the camera out and you can see us whacking it down. Nice morning. Anyway, hopefully we'll get something. If not, this will be an amazing start to a video and a terrible end. See you later. Found this one, this looks pretty interesting. Just give that a quick tap. Don't want to be too close to this bad boy though. That one, but if in doubt, give it a clout. Tides are plenty safe enough out now. Keep going, see what we can get. Get somewhere safer. Few little bad boys. Whack them in the bag. Whack them in the bag. The little ones, worth taking. So I found a nice one poking out. The only thing is, the tide's still quite high. Whoop. And it's under there. I found another one here as well. So I'm just going to start digging. Hopefully the tide can help wash some of that away and I'll be able to get it out. But I'll set a time lapse up there. But yeah, pretty heavy. Anyway, let's see what's in it. So, not a bad little scout about. Tide's gone out a bit. I've got a few known flatstones, and then a couple of if in doubters, give them a clouters. So yeah, I'm going to smack these down. I've got about 4 nodules, and we'll see what we can get, and then we'll head back. If we get nothing, I'll still show this because it's important. It's a lot of work. You go out, you search for stuff. I get the right rock, but is there anything in it? That's what we want to know. Fingers crossed. I doubt there will be. It's like that other one. It looks amazing. Nice flatstone, big bulge on it. Nothing. So you never know. But it's got a cast of an asti. I don't know if you can see it. It's got the cast of an asti there. So there might be others in there. That asti's gone. I don't know where it is. At sea, under here. But yeah, nice seas, churned it up. It's exposed a few flatstones. So that's what you want, really. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that. I'll set my camera up. Right, first things first, let's have a look. It's quite nice. Might take that one like that. I don't want to keep whacking that one. I'm going to take that one as it is. Got a bit of a calcite vein running through it, but nice. It's a good one, that. So I've got this one. I think it's a topstone, but it seems to have got like a row of ammonite. You can see down here that there's some signs, so there might be a rogue running all the way through. Quite like that. I think I'll take that. I've got this one, wherever it is, and that one. So I've got a few nice bits. Definitely worth coming down for a bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna bag these and then have a head back. Yeah, alright, cool. If I find out nice on the way back, I'll get you out of my pocket. Game on. Right, just found this one. It's like a woodstone. Just sat on the beach. Ali actually kicked it. I'm going to bag that one because it's getting quite busy, so I'm going to bag that one. It's getting busy now, so I'm going to see you back at the workshop. Oh, how deep is it? Yeah, coming off, like I say, just coming off the beach. Quite happy with that woodstone. Thought I'd just bag it. I'm getting tired and I want to get home. Oh yeah, oh there's James. I'm gonna go see James. He's up there, he's a fossil guide, he's probably with a family. So yeah, I'm gonna see James and then I'll go. Alright, cool, see you back home.